In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord channels not showing. If you've ever logged into Discord only to find that some channels seem to have vanished, don't worry. This is a relatively common issue and can be resolved with a few simple steps. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Discord account. Make sure you're using either the desktop application or a web browser that you prefer. Once you're in, navigate to the server where you're experiencing issues. If you're already familiar with Discord's interface, this will be a breeze. Now, take a look at the top left corner of the Discord window. You should see the server's name there. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu with various options. In this drop-down menu, check if there's an option called Show All Channels. This is crucial because sometimes, due to server updates or initial settings, this feature might be toggled off by default. If it's unchecked, that could very well be why your channels aren't appearing. Simply check this option to make sure that all available channels are visible to you. However, if the issue persists even after you've ensured that Show All Channels is checked, it might be a matter of permissions tied to your user role within that server. Some channels can be set to hidden based on the roles assigned to users, which means you might not have the necessary permissions to view them. Permissions play a big part in how Discord manages user access, so this is an important aspect to consider. To address this, the best course of action is to communicate with one of the server administrators. They have the authority to check and modify your roles and assess whether the channel's permissions need adjusting. A polite request to review these settings can often resolve the matter quickly and efficiently. By following these steps, you should see your missing channels reappear without much trouble. Discord is a dynamic platform that's constantly being updated, so minor hiccups like this can occur from time to time. It's always a good idea to keep in communication with server admins and stay informed about any updates that might affect user settings. Remember, patience and clarity are your best tools when troubleshooting. Thanks for following along, and I hope these tips have helped you resolve the issue of Discord channels not showing. Be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and guides. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Happy chatting on Discord!